This is Eugene Caranto, a product of Rank 1 Nursing Review Center. Unleash your Rank 1 potential in the nursing board exam. Experience the high-quality review from the lecturer of the top-performing schools and producers of many board exam top-notchers in the country. This time, all the way from Manila, bringing your RN dream here in Pangasinan, only at Rank 1 Nursing Review Center. Avail our intensive to final coaching review just for 8,000 and final coaching just for 5,000. Rank 1 Nursing Review Center at PNC Building 2, Perez Boulevard, Dagupan City, near Music Warehouse. Contact numbers 0910-535-4308 and 075-522-2453. So why spend much money in Manila or Baguio if you can have an affordable and quality nursing review here in Dagupan? Enroll now! Be the best, be the one, be one in the nursing board exam.